100% on our way to the moon.
Moontrain's on point, we're in the groove, trading like a symphony. When the
Dow's
big
over
Mike's
$50,000.
juicing up,
I don't know why you're laughing. You're a great stock trader.
we're on the moon train.
Then we watched you guys land on the moon.
No, it is.
This is how you become a day trader.
All right, guys. Yesterday, absolutely crazy day. Even missed my pre-market video I was gonna make because my wife literally had a face ripper. Crazy omen, by the way. But what happened here? Well, this double bottom started a new GAN window, and Daddy Trump sent it. So now, since this move has happened, and we caught it, and I'm glad we did, there has been more discussion. This is the 40th time we've made a deal. There's a lot of reports of it being again bogus or not, or this and that. Doesn't really matter. Because this move has already happened. My system says we trade down here, and that we trade down, there's another target, down here. Usually, if a news candle doesn't hold, it'll literally come back down the next day. So ideally, we want a gap over here. Obviously we have some old markings here from a while back, it seems. Marked in green means that it's a fuckery zone, which it is. I mean, there's a gap, there was a gap. You do have this coming down here, so you popped above it. Looks like you came down to hold it. You have the piers here, you have the piers here. This does not have to go any higher. However, you can scroll in the chat, Justin has it even better. This guy still has a little bit more before this nukes. Now I'll go over it in the market analysis, but we do have a pretty filled week next week. We have Bank of Japan. Well, we got SpaceX IPO today. Then we have Bank of Japan. We have FOMC and ECB hike. The Bank of Japan is gonna hike. Then we're gonna pretend that the Fed's not gonna hike. And then everybody's favorite holiday, Juneteenth. So OPEX is going to be Thursday and the expiration here. So next week is an action-packed week. If you made money here, which most of you did, and crazy amounts, your mission needs to be not to give it away. I just want to show you this. There was no flow on QQQ. There was no flow on QQQ. It was mostly preloaded dark pool, and on SPY it was dark pool and flow. That is interesting. Also, Nvidia goes down. So Nvidia, if it's gonna be the market, it has that move leading us down. Not saying it happens tomorrow, but the open here plays a significant role where if we gap up and then let's say we go close the gap and we hold it, this can go higher. If this gaps down, look out for a tape bomb all the way down here. Okay, so let's try to keep it simple. This has all the hallmarks of a inverted head and shoulders and could absolutely rip more. And as I pointed out, you had puts at, I mean, it's not showing it, but I've looked at other data. They were at literally all-time highs, so this can definitely go up. And especially now that everybody wants this to go down again, for whatever fucking reason. But yeah, decent call buying. Obviously, we were in, so we caught a lot of this move, and we had the Apple move. And I'm really going to look to Apple because I caught 425% on Apple and I sold here. It never went higher. If we go higher tomorrow, there's still that Apple ghost. Not saying it goes there tomorrow, but it's to 312. So what's worked for me this week, besides it being a really challenging week, is Apple. And then if Apple rips, QQQ makes a decent move. You can kind of tag team both. I was in MU as well yesterday. I sold it around here somewhere. I don't know. I should have kept it. It's fucking gonna go in the money. Premium said so, so I'm a little upset about it, but I also made good money, so I'm not gonna complain, because I could have been in fucking poots too. But you have three pierces of the Bollinger Band right here. 3. So that's 3 pierces. So tomorrow this needs to like get over here. If it gets over, if it does go, I don't care how ridiculous it looks, it will go to 753. That's the big node up there. So let's see where we open, if we could possibly get a little bit higher or not. If not, again, Gex agrees, you go down and you retest down there. With that said, God bless and thank you for all the prayers for my wife. That was some crazy shit. All right, thanks guys.
Riding with the moon.